Hello students, welcome back to the next session where we are studying semi-solid dosage form. Today we are going to discuss the next semi-solid dosage form that are poultices. Myself Ashwini Zamdade, lecturer at Sanjivani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Kopargaon. Let us discuss the learning outcomes of this session. After this presentation, students will be able to know definition of poultice, then method of preparation with example and storage of poultices. Now let us see first introduction to poultices. Poultices are soft, viscous, wet masses of solid substances applied to the skin for their fermentation action in order to provide relief from pain or reduce the inflammation or to act as an counter irritant. Means in Marathi, the poultices are also called as lep, we can say, or sahalep, it is also called. Means these are the viscous preparations or soft wet masses which are heated first, and after heating, it is applied hot on the affected areas to relieve the pain or reduce inflammation or act as an counter irritant. Poultices are also known as cataplasm. In ancient times, the poultices were used to drain the infectious material from diseased tissue. Nowadays, it is considered to be an outdated preparation and is hardly prescribed by the physicians or prepared by an pharmacist. Heavy kaolin is commonly included in the formula for preparing poultices because it acts as a carrier of heat. Poultices is applied to the affected part after heating it in a china dish with occasional stirring until heat is tolerated on the back of the hand. The melted poultices is spread as thick film on a dressing material and applied as hot as patient can bear it to the affected area. These are the poultices. Now let us discuss the method of preparation of poultices. Example, prepare and dispense 100 gram of kaolin poultice BPC. This is the formula for it. It is the marketed preparation you can see in the diagram. Now it consists of 56.5 gram of heavy kaolin, 4.5 gram of boric acid, 0.05 gram thymol, then 0.05 gram peppermint oil, 0.2 ml methyl salicylate, and 38.7 gram of glycerin. This is the basic formula for the preparation of kaolin poultices BPC. Now let us discuss method of preparation of kaolin poultice. Mix the heavy kaolin and boric acid with glycerin to form a uniform paste first. Then heat the mixture at 120 degrees Celsius for 1 hour on a sand bath with occasional stirring and allow to cool. Then dissolve the thymol in methyl salicylate and peppermint oil. Add the solution to the cooled mixture and mix thoroughly. Transfer it into a suitable container, then store in tightly closed container to prevent moisture loss from the glycerin and evaporation of volatile constituents like peppermint oil. Now let us discuss the storage of poultices. Poultices are supplied in glass or plastic jars fitted with screw caps along with impermeable liners or closely fitted slip-on lids. Poultices are stored in well-closed containers to prevent absorption of moisture by glycerin and loss of volatile constituents. Direction for use of the poultice is: spread the warm poultice on a dressing material and applied on the affected area. In kaolin poultice BPC, the heavy kaolin is heated at 120 degrees Celsius for 1 hour to kill the spores of Clostridium tetani, which are often present in it. It should not be heated above 120 degrees Celsius because it can cause the decomposition of glycerin. This is all about the poultices. In the next session, we are going to study the next semi-solid dosage form, that are suppositories. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.